Hello my friend. Today I'm gonna do another Margaret Miller's challenge or assignment, and I'm doing this week, which is the 27. I've already chosen the pages that I want to work on, but at the end I chose something else. The first thing I need to put is the graph paper, but I didn't have one, so I use a ledger, which is pretty much the same. But before I'm gluing it, I decided to go for another page, and I chose that coffee dyed papers. I'm just gluing the ledger at the middle of the page. Now I'm moving to the next one, which is the bonus one, and I'm adding washi tape at the bottom, and what is left I'm adding at the top. I really love this washi tape. It has a vintage look and it's so cute. The next one was a bit harder to gather because it needed something that emits heat. So I chose these images from the Graphics Fairy site, a dragon and picture with the sun. And at the end I chose the sun. The next scene is advertisement, and I have a few, and I chose this one because I love the length of it and it looks so cute, so I chose that one. The next item is something that turns or spins, and I chose these two. I just punched a circle and I grabbed two of those and I just punched a hole in the middle, and later on I will put it on a tag, I think, or on the page itself. I decided that I have something missing on the next page, so I grabbed the bottom of that advertisement, and because I really love the colors and the fonts on there, so I chose that one. I just rounded the corners. And yeah, I just started to glue everything on top of that page. I decided to put the image of the sun on top of that advertisement. And now I have this tag, which I've made a while ago. And here I'm taking and punching a hole at the top of that tag, and I'm adding the little punch circle at the top so they can spin. And now I'm just collaging the tag a bit and to have something behind that advertisement. And I'm putting a double-sided tape, so I will have a tuck spot as well. Now I'm just gluing the image of the sun on top of that advertisement. And I'm adding a bit more details and more washi tape, just to give everything a bit more color. I have this cutout of a lamp, which is so cute, and I decided to put that as well on top of that tag. I grabbed a small envelope and I really love this coral color. I have this digital kit and I just chose a few tags that I really wanted, and I really love this one. So I just cut it and just distressed it a bit, and now I'm just gluing it on top of that page. I'm gluing another ephemera of numbers because that area really missed something. I'm adding a bit more washi tape. And now I grabbed a label sticker, which I got, I think, from AliExpress a long time ago. And next to that, I'm adding a small post-it for the list. And I'm just writing a few to-do lists that I need to do. I'm adding this cute sticker of the bird as well, just at the top of that page to give the area a bit more color. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It was a very fast, very easy collage, and I'm really happy how it turned out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one, but until then, bye!